Welcome back to Ice Cream Sundays. My name is Tara, and each week I'm going to share a different homemade ice cream recipe. This week I'm making a brown butter pecan ice cream that doesn't require an ice cream machine. The first thing I'm going to do is brown my butter so it can fully cool while I work on the other steps. You can also place this into the fridge to cool down faster. Next, I'm going to roast the pecans for about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. And this isn't a necessary step, but it just enhances the taste and the texture of the nuts. Next, I'll add the butter, sugar, salt, and water to a saucepan. And once the mixture begins to bubble, I'll add in the roasted pecans and I'll stir until everything is fully coated. I'll then transfer that onto a baking sheet in a single layer to cool. And I'm making sure to break up any large clumps. Now moving on to the ice cream base. In a bowl, I'm going to whisk together 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and the cooled brown butter, and I'm going to set that aside. Now in a separate bowl, I'm going to whip the heavy cream. You don't need a stand mixer to do this. You can use a hand mixer, but mine was no longer working. Also, if you don't want to whip any cream, you can use 16 ounces of a pre-made whip topping like Cool Whip. Once I get stiff peaks, I'm going to whisk in a small amount of the whipped cream into the brown butter mixture just to lighten it up so it's easier to fold in the rest of the cream. And now I'm going to fold in the rest of the cream until everything is fully combined and there is no streaking. And then I'm going to fold in the candied pecans. Once everything is folded in, I'm going to transfer that into a freezer safe container, cover, and freeze overnight. I already have a custard-based butter pecan ice cream recipe on my page, but I had someone request a no-churn version and I decided to elevate it with the addition of brown butter. So if you're someone who already likes butter pecan ice cream, I think you'll really enjoy this recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you tune in next Sunday to see what ice cream flavor I'm going to do next. And if you have any ice cream flavor requests, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.